Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your graphics settings on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to your home menu. From here, click on Settings and now click on Video in order to gain access to the graphics settings. Now from the resolution, click on the drop-down menu and choose your preferred resolution that you wish to use for your game. After clicking on your preferred resolution, choose your display mode from windowed, borderless or full screen. You can also enable VSync by clicking on the checkbox and then click on Apply to set up your changes. You also have the basic settings such as anti-aliasing, the render quality, as well as the render details. Choose the appropriate settings based on your device configuration. Finally, choose your texture, world, particle and effect detail. You also have various different options that you can enable and disable underneath advanced setting checkboxes. After making your desired changes, click on the apply button once again, and all of your desired changes will be applied to your game. You can now click on the play button to start enjoying your game with your newly set up graphics settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphics settings within the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.